In the world of high-speed cinematography, there is a holy grail that pilots have been chasing for a decade. It's the ability to fly through the smallest gaps at 100 miles per hour and never have to worry about where the camera is pointing. For years, we've had to choose. Do you want the adrenaline of FPV or the infinite perspective of 360? You could never have both. Until now, as we move through late 2025, the drone industry is facing its biggest disruption in history. We aren't just talking about a new model or a minor spec bump. We are talking about the DJI Avata 360, a machine that is quite literally designed to be invisible in the sky. If you thought the Avata 2 was a game changer, you haven't seen anything yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The leaks coming out of the FCC and the recent supply chain breakthroughs in Shenzhen suggest that DJI has done the impossible. They've built a sinew hook with a rotating, dual-lens 8K system that makes every other drone on the market look like a relic from the past. But there is a dark cloud over this launch. As the US government tightens its grip on DJI's future in the States, this might be the last unrestricted flagship we ever see. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the Avata 360. We are breaking down the 8K spherical sensors, the new LiDAR-based crash-proof navigation, and the secret ghost mode that eliminates the drone from the footage entirely. If you are a creator, a pilot, or just someone who loves the cutting edge of tech, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this. The sky is about to get a whole lot more immersive. This is everything we know about the DJI Avata 360. The dual-lens revolution. Physics or magic? Let's talk about the heart of this beast. The biggest headline is the camera. For the first time, DJI is moving away from the single-lens, GoPro-style mount. The Avata 360 is rumored to house a mechanical rotating module. This isn't just a software trick. We are talking about dual 1/1.1-inch stacked CMOS sensors, essentially the same power as the Osmo Action 5 Pro, but doubled. In FPV mode, the camera faces forward, giving you that classic, aggressive 4K 120 frames per second look. But with the tap of a button on the RC Motion 4, the housing rotates, engaging both lenses to capture a full 8K spherical field of view. Imagine power looping a bridge or diving a skyscraper, and then, in post-production, being able to turn the camera backward to see the gap you just cleared, or sideways to track a moving car you didn't even see during the flight. This is the death of the missed shot. You fly once and you have every angle, forever. 8K 360, the end of grainy VR. The biggest problem with 360 drones in the past, like the DIY invisible rigs, was resolution. When you spread 4K or 5.7K over a 360-degree sphere, the image becomes soft and mushy. The Avata 360 solves this with 8K at 50 frames per second. For the US market, specifically for VR enthusiasts and Apple Vision Pro owners, this is the missing link. This drone produces the high-fidelity spatial data needed to create truly immersive experiences. DJI is reportedly using a new proprietary stitching algorithm that happens in camera, reducing the seam line to almost zero. You're no longer just watching a video, you're teleporting the viewer into the cockpit. The